Rick from Manville has drainage distress.
Distress, because he's placed yards of dirt over the year, and it hasn't done any good.
Okay,
Rick
quit doing it.
Well, no, here's the deal. Rick writes, our topsoil is essentially gone.
Oh.
He says, leaving just harder clay with grass growing on it. So the water's dug pathways, kind of like canals going around his house, and then the heavy rain, the sides of the house look like a lake next to his house. And so for what it's worth, he says, I noticed our slab is much less exposed than our neighbors, which have a lot more showing. So it's been suggested to him that they remove all the grass, work out the soil, put in topsoil again, get the contour of the land right, and then put grass back in. Does that sound right to you?
Maybe. I can't say for sure. I mean, drainage systems, making sure the water drains away. Obviously, it's not. It's making a mess. We have to solve this. Family Landscapes, Tom over there is a landscaper. They're going to have to come up with a combination of some or others. But yeah, some of it, if it's so bad, yeah, remove the old grass and get the thing leveled right and put the grass in. If you don't put the grass in, it turns into a mud pit again. And if you have water sitting anywhere and you can't handle it naturally with the swales or slopes or to the street, then of course drainage systems go in too. So it could be a combination of all of it. Then you have gutter systems that might be part of it, and landscaping, rocks, all kinds of different things. But you can't just say, oh, we're just going to tear it all out and put some dirt in and it's going to be fine. It doesn't really. It's not that simple sometimes.
You need the experience of Family Landscapes or a landscaper that comes in, and he's licensed for drainage and stuff and irrigation. He can do all this around the house.
Absolutely. They're going to shoot levels. They're going to find out how your property sits. They can't drain into the neighbors. I mean, they're actually engineers that do drainage systems for places like in West U and stuff where the properties are so tight that everything has to be totally engineered. So hopefully you don't have to go to that expense, but Family Landscapes or a landscaper of some kind should be able to handle this, but I can't just tell you do this and it's done.
And you get gutter professionals out there and work with Family Landscapes, and they can tie those gutters into the drainage system so that now you're not creating a pond somewhere else too.
That's why you have to have a master plan.
Yes. Tom's our master.
Like SpongeBob now.
And Tom's our master answerer.
Yes.
If you want him to answer your questions, you know what you do is send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it here, and you can see more of our videos right over there. And so you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. That'd be nice of you.